boys. I wasn't sure when the day was gonna come, but I knew it would happen. We got ourselves a SURRON, boys. If you know about them, you know they're some of the best electric mountain bikes, dirt bikes. I feel like they're more considered as dirt bikes, if you will. These things are sweet. You can do a lot of mods to them. You've been seeing them around the internet a bunch as of right now. I've been wanting to get one for about maybe close to 2 years now, but I couldn't man up and pull the trigger on buying one for the price that they are. But I found this one. I've been keeping my eyes out for one to pop up locally, and I found this one for a pretty good deal in my opinion, about half of what it would cost to buy one brand new. And yeah, it literally has 10 miles on it total, or maybe it's in kilometers. Down there in the bottom right it says total, and it says 12. That's the total. Then we got the trip right here. I just reset it, but literally total on this bike 12 miles or kilometers. That should even be less miles, but this thing is legitimately brand new, bro. Like, it's so clean, right? Like, look at the front of this thing. You just know it hasn't been ridden much. It literally has every nipple on every tread. It's quite crazy. There is some damage to it. So the guy I bought it from said he pretty much bought it, rode it one time, and he looped it, and he was terrified of it ever since. So he looped it, messed up the seat, messed up the grip right here, ripped off the bar end, and the grip's all destroyed down there, and messed up the fork right here. Other than that, this thing is perfect. So taking pretty much half the cost of the bike off for that one loop, it's gonna be really fun for me because it's exactly set up how a scooter would be. It's a left-handed rear brake, so wheelies right off the bat are gonna feel a lot better. It's not like it's a foot brake, it's not like the brakes on the right hand like a pedal bike would be. So I'm very stoked on that. Gonna do a lot of off-roading, a lot of jumping, a lot of wheelies. It's gonna be a all-around very, very fun bike. Maybe we should build some little jumps back here too. I mean, we got some open space, especially with something like this that's so quiet you can ride in the backyard. When I say this thing was mint, like, dude, I got all the original receipts from the guy, all the parts, showing that he literally just got shipped a few months ago, and the sticker kit's still brand new in the box. But this thing is dusty because he's probably been letting it sit in his house or his garage for so long since he bought it. So I'm gonna dust it all off, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw all the stickers on. All right, so I thought about putting the graphics on, and I don't think I'm gonna. So what I am gonna do is take this license plate off, take this chain bracket off, and we're gonna cut the limiter in here that we're topping out on. So got some new grips gonna be putting on here because that grip is completely torn. Got my number plate to put on, and I'm wondering if I should take off the front stickers on the front guard. Ooh, she's looking better now, boys. I think I'm gonna take these stickers off, as well as I'm going through taking off all these little label stickers everywhere. This thing's stock as a rock, man. It has everything on it. I've seen a lot about how these tires are not that great, so we'll probably get some tires upgraded soon. Looks so much better without the license plate back here too. But so far she's looking good. Front guard stickers are off. I was about to put the whole sticker kit on. I'm so glad I didn't. This thing looks so good without it. All blocked out. Definitely gonna upgrade the foot pegs with an undercarriage and a few things like that. Alright, so according to everything I'm reading online, this little green and black looped wire right here is pretty much the rev limiter on it. So right now this thing's not going over 50, which I believe is reading in kilometers. So I believe that converts to, like, yeah, it's pretty much going 30 miles per hour, 31 miles per hour. So now I'm gonna go show you real quick what I mean by that. It maxes out and it hits almost like a dead point, right? So once I clip that wire, it should be able to get a lot higher top speeds. So just, dude, literally just the most ridiculous torque ever. So we're gonna watch this bad boy while we max it out right here. So when it hits that, you can hear it in the motor. Right when it hits 53, it literally just like kills the motor. So we're gonna go cut that wire and see if that changes anything. Sketchy one-handed with the torque. It literally just falls on its face right when it hits that. Let's cut this. All right, we cut it up and we tucked it and we taped it. Just made sure that they don't touch each other, the both ends. Let's see what it does, boys. Oh yeah, right past it. Oh my God, way faster. Instantly, boys. You seen that? They could have went more too. It just gets sketchy one-handed. Literally instantly, just gained like double. We just gained like 10 miles per hour literally snipping that wire. So we could also do a controller on this thing, get a lot more out of this bike. Wow, that just opened up so much potential for this thing. I'm loving the way it's looking right now. Now my biggest debate is, do I take off the front fender? Might have to just take it off just to see. Well, I think that I even like it more without the front fender as well. So we took the front fender off, boys. We're only rocking this rear mud guard. I'd like to take that off, but with it being going to be in the dirt a lot, that's going to help protect a lot of the dirt that's going to be flinging directly into here. Alright, so I had this pair of grips laying around for my new pre-bug build, but since this thing's ready to go and we're still waiting on parts for that, I already ordered another set of these, so I'll just be able to throw those on, and I'm going to use these ones for right now on the SURRON, if that makes sense. So, stock SURRON grips that is just ripped and can slide right off. SURRON grip removal. Take that bad boy off. I'm going to slap some new boys on it. Alright boys, the last thing we're about to do real quick tonight is to remove the kickstand sensor. So when the kickstand's down, you can't hit the throttle. It's good for safety reasons, but if you're going to be off-roading it and wheeling it and just coming down hard, think about it, if the kickstand was just to drop a little, it would kill all power to the bike, which could, you know, potentially send you over the bars. So for my situation, it'd be safer to not have it. So we're just pretty much going to remove this bash guard, and then there's like a little plug in here, unplug that, run it back to the kickstand, take the wire off itself, and then that will get rid of that. But this bike is looking so good right now. I keep calling it a bike. I guess it's kind of a bike. Alright, so we just went in here. You pretty much just go all the way up into here, unplug it, cut a couple zip ties that it runs to, and then we're going to unscrew it in the back here. And potentially we should have no more kickstand sensor. Oh boys, kickstand down. Oh, so torquey. She works though. So we won't have the issue of if the kickstand rattles and kills that sensor. So boys, we've done a few things to the SURRON already. I really liking these grips on there. Feels way better than the ones that were on it. Looks better because they're all black. Looks so good.
We got the SURRON out. We went to the dirt the first spot, not even to go do wheelies. We literally went out to Apex to the dirt spot. We're gonna see what these are about.
7 out of 9, but I think that's the best feeling.
7 out of 9? Yours sounds different. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a controller upgrade. Damn, his suspension feels so much stiffer too.
Alright, about to take off?
Yep. Oh my. Will I make it? No! Oh, we're ripping, boys! We're ripping. We got the drone mob behind us. Ah! All I hear is this drone behind me. Yo! Yo! Alright. That is terrifying. Oh! Still 66% battery too. Well, that's gonna do it for the first video with the SURRON. As you can tell, we got her a little dirty. She's seen more time now with that one day of riding than she has in her whole life. So I'm stoked to give her her little first review for myself and first little break-in for herself. But many more things to come with this SURRON. If you made it this far, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see with this thing. And I can't wait to have some more fun with it. I'll see you guys in the next one.